Welcome back. You're watching Ask Profit, and this show gets you answers to all of your stock-related questions. On this side of the break, we've got Ajit Mishra of Religare Broking as well as Saurabh Jain of SMC Global. Ajit, very good morning to you, and as always, welcome to the show. Thanks so much for joining us. Ramya from Chennai has got the next question, and this one is directed at you. Between Shriram Finance and Bajaj Finance, for the short term, which stock looks more promising?
Yeah, good morning, Alex. So, Alex, both stocks are doing well. Both are trading closer to their record highs. Of late, Shriram Finance had made an attempt of a decisive breakout in the consolidation range, but it couldn't sustain, and followed by a marginal pullback towards the short-term averages. But comparatively, still, I feel that Shriram Finance is better placed, considering that we are still holding around the short-term averages, while the Bajaj Finance, the tone looks slightly sideways to us, considering multiple resistances on the upper band of this prevailing range. So, with short-term point of view, 660, I believe, is a very strong area now, as we have multiple attempts of profit-taking also earlier, which usually witnessed by strong buying interest around that area. So with that as a stop loss, she can consider accumulating at current levels. And once we cross 710, 715 area, then probably 755 to 760 something that the stock might attempt. The risk reward is favorable. She can consider accumulating at current levels. All
right. So that's the view on the pair of Shriram Finance as well as Bajaj Finance. We've got our next caller, Murli from Bengaluru. Murli, very good morning to you. Of course, Murli, as always, I would invite you to do your reading and research on Talbros as well and call us again perhaps tomorrow or the after. All right, Rohan from Pune has got the next question. I'm just going to take a chance and ask you this, Saurabh, because it's a pretty small company. SG Mart is the name of the company. It is just under 4,000 crore rupees of market capitalization. It offers several products, I believe, in the steel construction product space, TMT rebars, as well as welding rods and binding wire, various other things. So what are the prospects if you've studied the company? We've got Rohan from Pune, who has modeled this company for a period of 5 years, and he wants a long-term perspective on the stock. He wants to know whether he should buy at this point.
I won't cover this company, Alex.
Okay, fair point. Ajit, I'm just going to take a chance and ask you, it's SG Mart. SG Mart. So Solapur and Gujarat, SG Mart.
Alex, I don't have the data available for this stock. I guess listed only in BSC.
Yeah.
So I won't be able to comment.
Well, you can't say that we didn't try, Rohan. We tried. Do write and ask if you've got another question. Murli from Palakkad has got a question on Anantraj, which he's bought 700 shares off at a price of 501 rupees. He says, so we've got the next question from Kanti Bhai, as I see it, Kanti Bhai Mahasuri, who's writing and asking about V2 retail. He wants to buy for a period of 3 months. The update, if I remember correctly, the quarterly update was a decent one in the context of everything that was announced, and indeed the stock is up another 4% in trade today. So Ajit, on the charts, the last week and this week put together, it's been a decent run, if I remember correctly. There you go, it's up about 12%. Would you buy at this point for 3 months?
So Alex, we all know the kind of run-up that stock experienced from May or June 2023 lows. So maybe it was around 77, 75 area to 2,000 levels. Since the beginning of this calendar year, the stock was experiencing consolidation, that too in a very tight range while holding over its major averages. And now it seems set for the next leg of the year move. But since the earnings season is about to kickstart, obviously we have to be slightly cautious with the high beta names. So here, with stop at 1800 on the closing basis, definitely you can consider going long at current levels, because it seems like that the base formation is done. And once we have a breakout above 2100 mark, then probably we have a confirmation also towards 2300, 2400 levels. So yes, the overall outlooks look positive. With 1800 as a stop loss, you can consider going long.
Okay, you can consider going long on V2 retail. Okay, the next caller is Arvind from Uttar Pradesh. Arvind, namaskar. How can we help you today? I'm going to throw as many questions as possible over the course of the next 2 minutes. First one is on MRPL. 1 year view is being sought. The buy price is 164. Mr. Venkatramanan wants to know, should you hold, Ajit?
Hold, maintain stop at 140, 180 position target.
Naukri is the name of the counter. 1,400 is the buy price. Short-term trade is being sought. Muthu Rasu from Madurai wants to know info edge. Would you hold, Ajit?
Exit looks weak. Around 1,300, one can reconsider.
Okay, JP Power. I believe. Let's pull up the chart. Okay, JP Power again. So we've already answered that question. Rolta. Okay, I haven't heard this stock in a long time. Rolta invested around the 90 level. Recently bought 900 shares at low prices. So we can't take a view on this one. Unfortunately, it's a penny stock. HCC, Hindustan Construction Company, bought at levels of 30.45. Would you hold at this point? Ajit, on the charts?
HCC, Alex, I guess it has shifted to trade to trade, so that's why exit is likely to underperform. So yeah, exit.
Exit is a view. Abbott, oh, okay. Abbott sitting on 2.7 lakhs of profit. Dr. Naveen wants to. Okay, well, that brings us to the end of this edition of Ask Profit Ajit, as well as Saurabh. Thanks so much for joining in and for answering all the questions. Pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Right, viewers, we've tried to answer as many questions as possible. If we didn't get your specific question answered, well, we'll try the next time, and hopefully the questions that we got answered will benefit you. Up next is Know Your Company. Do stay tuned. This is NDTV Profit.